Halloween begins. Not Halloween, I'm just kidding with you, but I am wearing my basic shirt. My BB basic shirt. This is as basic as you get when you wear one of these during the month of October. So the basic shirt goes with my initials, the basic fake fall trees, which just warms my little gay heart. And I'm gonna make a chocolate chip pumpkin cookie bar. You all know what I'm talking about, right? It's like in a sheet cake, but it's like a brownie and a cookie. You get it, okay? We're gonna have a turn up night. Okay, so it's easy breezy, lemon squeezy, like I always say. I'm gonna come up with my own saying one day, but until then, this is what you need. A teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 3 teaspoons of your vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 cups of your all-purpose flour, half a cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. This is 2 cups of chocolate chips. We're gonna use 1 cup of your pumpkin puree, 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and a pumpkin to grow an inch, you know, just honey, I know some of you out there could use an inch, you know, you could use an inch. So, I am an amateur chef and even more of an amateur baker. But one thing I do know is your dry ingredients have to be separate from your wet ingredients. So this is your first time here. If you're like a Virgin Madonna 1984, swing it on home with the dry goes in first, the wet second. Fun fact, sugar is a wet mixture. Here, I'm gonna mix it and set aside. All-purpose flour. Don't be getting that soft rising flour. What are you gonna do? What are you baking, a cake? Combine this mixture on medium. Woo! Sorry. I didn't lock my thing in. Listen, ma'am. You gotta scrape down your thing because listen, baking is a science. My dad was a great baker. I ain't even trying to lie to you like that in Perth. That's right, see, you learned something. You carry it on. If you learned anything from working with me, it's Perth. I ain't gonna lie to you like that down in Perth. Do your job. Oh, that smells so good. This smells like Thanksgiving morning. It smells like Thanksgiving morning. Add your dry mixture, please, okay? You may add it now. It's all combined. It's a happy family. There was 2 cups of chocolate chips here, so just add 1.5 cups. I'm not gonna measure it out, so may the force be with me. Locked, loaded. What? Got my baking spray. Baking made with flour. Oh, it's named after me. It's my nickname. Perfect release.
I am disgusted.
Now, yes, with parchment paper, you probably wouldn't need any baking spray, but just to be safe. This is the part that's not so fun. Now you just try to even it out as much as you can. Truth be told, the reason why you want to even it out is not just so it can look pretty, so it can bake evenly. See, Jason, this is what I put on my husband application, because, you know, who's going to work in the office and making that coin and then coming home and baking? Not a lot of folks. Not a lot of folks. All right, now you add the rest of your chocolate chips. All right, kids, put this in your oven, 350 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes, but I recommend you check it at about 25, because some ovens are crazy. It's time to check. I'm gonna let that chill for a second, maybe a couple minutes. So recipe called for 30 to 35 minutes. My dad taught me always take it out earlier, so I took it at 28. Thought it needed a few more minutes. Now you take, this is the oldest trick in the book. You take your little toothpick right down the middle. If it comes out clean, you're good. So there's a little bit there, but it's still baking, so you're golden. It's gonna be moist. Watch. Yeah. Moment on the lips, lifetime on the hips. Oh, look at this. Come on. What doesn't say? Look. You would marry me. You would marry me. Well, there goes the carb diet. If this doesn't say Halloween or the fall, I don't know what does. So if you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you try this because it's a spooky Halloween season and I want to hang out with all of you and talk to you and, you know, bond with other people that are crazy like me and do this on a Friday night. I love you all, Mood Show. Thank you for watching. And now I'm going to go watch Halloween. Goodbye.